Dormaahene TME na TME bi. Ghana enya independence when? Don't me 57. Asante for omo flag ne buy a omo ti omo 1935. Those times na Ghana ye person one way no. Omo kwa Asante initially Asante for say ye join them we are on our own. It took Kwame Nkrumah and other leaders to virtually beg them to come and join them. Hello, I Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bro. Subscribe, share. Many two man now will say and ya can be fair. Dormaahene, I the president of Dormaahene or a king or no, sorry, chief was a king no me who. What's that kind of home? Was a president of the House of Chiefs? I will bono. What's that kind of home? I ne send you a cano and then my room. And then I history kaka. Near who even why what he's saying should be ignored and bogus. He doesn't even know what he's saying. Only man kasa, and I'll show him where he's going and where he's going to end. Let's go and listen and come.
I say every idea be Xposed. Now one back. Yeah. Idea be Xposed down and one back. Yeah. As you remember, the only said that be a baby one. Na bibi wo na yemka. Yeah. Na man can be a local. So back on way back. Yeah. Yeah. Idea be Xposed. Yeah. Abana de anim se tumi nyina ya tu de se John Dramani Mahama. Onne Ghana nyina ya de yetumi ama. Yeah. Yewra na aswe no bi ti se police, bi ti se military ni nyina. Ashisha na se ya na moa. Yeah. Yewra na no bi koso nkran. Yeah. Ghana for me bu bi ya ntiase. Yeah. Awie. Ye ni se o we de bia. Abekem you run on one president, BSC, Kumasi. Yeah. IGP, Okahon. Yeah. IGP, or there. Akusa, not been a moon. Yeah. Ghana, IGP, or you know my Ghana, yeah. You run there who cry and say, then say GJ Ghana Journalist Association. Yeah. But yeah, about was big massive. Yeah. But they no crown a hand. Only thing make us thing make no. Yeah. Na man panyina ya to abade ma no. No pa. Na binu so beka ho. Na ba ki ka flag. Enya Ghana flag. Yewra. IGP the oye saade ne bi ama regions ni nyina. O ma me do wa me no. Yeah. Mpese as a matter of priority. Onko slem man sini. Yeah. Ahemfo akase no. Onko saade ne bi ma be. Yeah. Buno ha ombra anya ba akoma na vice o madoma o koye bi ma regions ni na se anya bi ama regions ni na na o ba bi ba akoma na oba ya me ajabadu am to so bi nu me sorry Ghana se sa de no ye ba me ka sentia se me ma na nkoso mi mu bi da wo afi we mu ni be 6 years me nti se Ghana sa de bi akoso yewra e wa ban na o de ne bae wọ́n sọ wọ́n kàn dáná àná sikasẹ́m mankanfo. Ọ̀yẹ́ nọkùnrin sikasẹ́m wọ́n yẹ ayẹ kama. Ghana ní bí abẹ́kẹ́sẹ́ sikasẹ́m ọ̀nyẹ́ èyí no. Mi àjùmọ̀ bẹ̀dúmẹ̀ntì àṣẹ sẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́kọ́ so. Mẹ̀nyà ẹ̀ńkọ́ so kura nkyẹn wọ́n yà adìẹ. Wọ́n sọ ẹ̀ bọ̀ wọ́n bá so. Mẹ̀mọ́ wọ́n bá so. Nneɛma no sɛ ne nna ɔbaa yɛ wɔn tuatua sika na adeɛ no na akeka mu ɛnyɛ bibi papa. Wato nananom bɛ sika mu. Ma me hemano na de ma mu se ban takri mwa ma ninje me ni aje ba yura sadie no asemato agency say yen ma ba bia let us put a stop Ghana nye ba bi ba ko Ghana nye ba bi ba ko amanyofo no every night for wo kasa wo hweye every night for wo kasa wo hweye Ghana nye ba bi ba ko Ghana yawo north ahemfo akase yawo north bi ne bono bi ni Greater Accra bi ni Central Region bi ni Western Region bi ni Western North na ya de ne de e kwa akwa ti say Ghana no a ye de asa ho sa no na de ne ho pesa ho de ye ni And not dear Sagana for the car. I don't know to be. Men cancer sabi. Oh yeah. I don't know. Near Yamidi Bomb. O hɛn tentene o hwɛ yapade ante so o hwɛ sɛ yɛ Ghana fo besi wawa na ɛdesa animonyam a bonofoɔ bɛde amam ne nana sabio nwura drɔbo hene nana no bɛde ama ya me mpɛsɛ ne mbere bi na mo ade akɔso na ɔnya adwabadu nwa mɛdɛ ka wani mmesi de mɛka na ɔkɔto akonta madamfo saa deɛ no so onimu a on can't see the patrol, say support on Chasso. And Chassua, ever do a via Gamadu, men, Dormaahene, never quite did for a continent barrier, Uru, and did it for. Then I did it to American patrol of the castle of Obasto. Like Honorable said, a 7 iron. Number be over 4 years and never call Ghana flag, necessary. Flag be our own coffin. About 4 young flag. Na nimsa ye kuo bi brand ye kuo bi da o black no kuo dia brand ye kuo bi ma black bono for ye flag Ghana ba ko pe ye wura ye nyina ye nyaman hose e John Dramani mama ono ye so no ono ne mra ne be diso ne mra ne ye be diso nti ye mu se bi o tia ye be kan ye wura sa asem we na nde ma Jeli amboa yo da kwani na me ka che odi awia adasi ndi o ja kwani na ma ka che ro se me akonya na nteso no ye de ne ye bia na o na nanu nyina ye bia na mo de ne de Ghana wa wuni me sanaka ebia na fo ye baifo me bayenu ngobi sapa to se wa na ajomadu a ntoso ye nu bayenu de ye de krania na member here na abon say war minister.
Yeah, welcome back. What's in something now? In 1935, Otumfour adopted a flag. Flag you know na black, green and yellow. Nana good na yellow no is signify what their wealth or seek. Black no it does not represent the dead but their power and their resilience. The green represent the rich forest, vegetation, and what? Agricultural land. This is Ashanti. Dormaahene, TME and TME. Ghana, and independence when? Don't tell me, 57. Otumfour, the flag in the Baya, 1935. Those times na Ghana ye person one way no. Omukwa Asante initially Otumfour said, "Yeah, join them. We are on our own." It took Kwame Nkrumah and other leaders to virtually beg them to come and join them, because Upe regional resources were part Ashanti region. What's in the American say? It's when they came with certain things. Ashanti region is the only unified region in Ghana. Take it or leave it. And Krayati, Obaha, Yawonuahene, one land. Yawolahene, one land. I said, Yaw Gamanche. Gamanche, no, on the overlord. Dormaahene, Bunu Kra or Kano, Yawatachimahene, Yawabunohene, Yawodomahene, Yawasehene, Omuni overlord. What I say? Achim empua kwai wo ho ansa ne okotoku. The list goes on and on. Na uba Asante memo a se Otumfour kasa Otumfour da. Yes. Na den no be kire mo ne entia the Ashanti kingdom is so powerful. Hwe upese your friend say a krobi di ye anase ade bi a eto ntwa da na ye di moja na agigina ho. Me a Christian, I'm a proud Christian. Nobody can take it from me because my Lord and Savior Yahoshua, he died for me. His blood was spilled willingly. Then dia obi beka se ye twa me ti. Nyemfa me moja anya ade no. Sa moja no Nyankopon re fi da. Me come asem. Asante here, Asante Naye, one act of a man, Kodia. At a time, my Otumfour no chika sem, me pese mudi de Thrɛafoɔ so. Na ansa ne bedi nkunim no, ye de share baako no de ni mogya gu ho. Ye committee ni so many times no bia so onye. Kodia no sorry no say midimiti ebeji akyerema. Oma ye quality egu nsuo pra river no enti na Asante hene o twa pra na ese ogina ho na oye amamre. Eno na ma Asante hene edi nkunim ewo de Thrɛafoɔ so. It's Samoja no eno na pagya Asante man esi ho. Samoja na conjure the golden stool efi sroba eniana Dormaahene eka se enye no kre no hwe wo so a na me kwa kire no kolom to me conjure things from the sky enye hu Dormaahene ohu bi da ade o sacred so oba masemsa onim hwe. You can't take away the paramountcy or the kingship of the Ashanti people. Never. Now we could ever say, yeah, Pescano, Otumfour in our core IMF. Queen Elizabeth of Inukum, and I say King Charles to say, of Inukuma, Oba Okochia, President or Oba Kochia Santi, only why? Dormaahene, you are not even spiritual, you don't even know. Who said, what's that? Cassatia Asante Mino, Doma Kunyan Kwana Kofem. You are not even realizing it. Doma greatness, the Satia family because Kasa at Etia Adia Yan Cassentia. Sikaga Yamina de Mae. Sikaga a moja a Sufis a fam and a conjoy fees robae. It's the kinship of Osei is unquestionable and it can never be questioned by anybody. And Asante hene use flag ene. Ono penny or hene or man stamp and the tare will come police in beyond stop him. And can also come once a way. Ono penny or man stamp this is why visa unit beyond in Ghana. Whether you're going to America, whatever, when you go there, they'll give you visa. That is the power of the Ashanti kingdom. Dormaahene and your flag nipo. Wo stamp no ehfa na edu endu Togo na edu Cote d'Ivoire na edu Nigeria Asante hene me say on the stamp ni siso a baby obeko bia no you go free na minim na bia me kase o say to what Dormaahene girl afane ma no because the way a man time no me who be that anything that Asante will do is a problem. Yepe obi immediately why didn't they come and call you a judge but when we say onyansa no ofam it talk of friend or one answer or sent to come and mediate. What are you talking about? You know the services Asante has rendered to this country, and yes, Asante 2,000 Ghana will have banned. Satano Rollins said, "I will leave." Kufuor said, "I'm coming." It took the ingenuity and the wisdom of the Ashanti king to call them. Tamasa me pacho omaye bakupe. Fast forward, even 2016, you know what will happen to Ghana? Dormaahene, where were you? It had to even take the mind of Asante again, the Asante hene to even beg. And then when you know Kasa, Kagana can burn 2,000. Kagana is in turmoil. You know how many times God has used this great king to save Ghana? Na Jimmy for be so edi nachi no mo ye yodo mama mo no yodo yedo kwasi afo ozom di nachi munnim ni amo ye ntia the more mo ye no na makonwa no na ni onyam brase and no bia sorry no okasetia as Dormaahene anyhow because you have exposed yourself to the ridicule and the mockery of people. You don't even know what you're saying. Only man can't flag in yasa say Asante come bia you don't understand into a flag go no in now bia ka in massive in Michael so kwado besia can you hear my form here tuma have you been able to provide for them Asante the hospital egu no okọ jiska and be say wasan ko war investors o ma bakuma so ma besi factories. What have you done for your people? And then here and you also a historian. We don't need historians. We need action doers. Dormaahene, a word to a wise is enough. I Xposed GHFM Bamboo subscribe share. Me need to one answer manuasi.